In this video, we listed the top 5 best mini drone that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I try to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1.3-axis pan-tilt GPS drone with LCD screen. This high-end consumer camera drone from LII records high-quality 8K video at 60 frames per second, using a 1/1.28-inch sensor and a 3-axis mechanical gimbal for superior stability. For flight safety, it features complete omnidirectional sensing, laser obstacle avoidance, and GPS-guided smart return-to-home functions. Weighing 783 grams, the drone is equipped with powerful brushless motors, a removable battery, and advanced automated modes like intelligent tracking, gesture shooting, and route planning. Number 2. FIMI Mini 3 4K drone. The FIMI Mini 3 is an ultra-lightweight, 245-gram camera drone that captures high-quality 4K video at 60 frames per second, using a 1/2.0-inch sensor and a 3-axis gimbal for steady footage. Operating on dual 2.4/5.8 GHz frequencies, it features an impressive 9 km transmission range, brushless motors, and GPS stability, though it lacks obstacle avoidance to stay under the 250 g weight limit. Number 3. K811 Max 4K GPS drone. The K811 Max GPS is a lightweight, 165 g beginner-friendly drone equipped with a 4K UHD camera that features remote 90-degree electric adjustment. Operating on a 2.4 GHz frequency, it features brushless motors, level 5 wind resistance, and essential GPS safety functions like automatic return-to-home. Powered by a removable 3.7 V 2,000 mAh battery, providing around 12 minutes of flight time. This indoor-outdoor drone supports a 500 m remote range, obstacle avoidance, and app-controlled modes like follow and multi-point cruise. Number 4. L500 PRO 4K GPS drone. This unbranded budget camera drone from mainland China weighs 250 g and uses a 1/1.28-inch sensor to record up to 4K video supported by a 23-minute flight time. Equipped with brushless motors and GPS functionality, it offers a 3,000-meter remote control range via a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. For flight safety and navigation, the drone includes laser obstacle avoidance and supports multiple languages through its app interface, though it lacks an integrated propeller guard and a built-in remote display. Number 5. X1 GPS camera drone. The S1 Max is a GPS-enabled consumer drone featuring a 4K UHD dual camera system stabilized by a 3-axis mechanical gimbal and EIS electronic image stabilization. Driven by brushless motors with a 20 to 30-minute flight time, it offers advanced features like GPS, follow me, auto return, and optical flow hovering for stable outdoor flights up to a 120-meter altitude. Weighing 237 g, its standout feature is a remote controller with a built-in 4.5-inch LCD color screen that supports a 5G digital relay image transmission range of up to 5 km.